In today's video, I'm going to share with you every way that I make passive income online. So, passive income. Everyone has their own definition. What's your definition of passive income? Now, drop your comment down below letting me know. See, mine is not trading my time for money and earning income no matter what I'm doing. Whether I'm sleeping or pooping and making money, I class that as passive income because I'm not actively trading my time for money. And again, that's why I call this passive income. So, with that being said, let's get on to the first way that I make money online, and that is with low content book publishing. Now, with low content book publishing, I have been doing this since 2018, as we can see just here, November 2018, and I have now earned $133,000 in royalties from selling low and no content books. Now, I wanted to create this video because I was going through some of my older content and I found a video which I also want to share with you so you can see my progress and how far I've come since around 2018. Now, the video that I want to share is this one, and this is called 4 Ways I Actually Make Money Online. Now, I created this video back in 2019, so it's a good 3 years ago, but these 4 ways that I created this video around are the 4 ways that I still make money today in 2022. Now, if you want to watch this video, I'll link it right there in the right hand corner of the screen in a card, and I'll also link it down in the description so you can come through and have a watch. Because again, you're going to see just how far I've come. Now, with my first income stream, low content book publishing, back in 2019, we can see I'd only earned $10,000. Now, if we come to 2022, we can see that I've now earned $133,000. Now, not all of that is profit because I do run ads over on Amazon, but nonetheless, this is what I've earned, and we can see that I've actually come a pretty long way since 2018. Now, why is that? Well, because of consistency. That is it. I've been consistent over the years at sticking with these 4 income streams, which I'm about to share. And again, that first one being low content book publishing, and we can see the difference from 10,000 to 133. Now, that's one income stream. The second income stream is YouTube, which again, I think I've been doing since beginning of 2018. So again, it's been a good few years and I've stayed consistent at creating content for my channel. Now, if we come here to YouTube in my back-end office, we can see how much I've earned lifetime. Now, that's all that I'm going to do in this video is just show you lifetime earnings instead of breaking everything down. But with YouTube, we can see I started back here in 2018, beginning of 2018, I believe, and we can see that I've been very, very consistent. And because I've been consistent, I've earned lifetime $24,000. Now, to put that into perspective, let's go back to that video I made a few years back so we can see my earnings back in 2019. Now, in 2019 was just about when I got monetized for this channel. In fact, it was 2018. We can see that just here. And at the time of creating this video, back in 2019, I had earned $810, which at the time I was extremely happy about. Now, if we come over to my YouTube backend, we can see I've now earned $24,000. Which for some people isn't that much, for others it's a lot, and for me, I'm extremely happy about this. We can see the growth. Then last year I was actually doing better, but all in all, since lifetime, I've earned that $24,000. So that's income stream number 2, which brings me on to my third income stream, and that's course sales. Now, when it comes to courses, I have a few different ones, but my main one is the LCB Vault. See, as you know, on YouTube, I talk about low content book publishing, because one of my income streams is low content book publishing. So I teach what I know, all the tips and tricks which has helped me earn my royalties. And with my courses, I have now earned $127,000. I've had 98,000 views, which is close to 100,000, which is pretty crazy, with around 7,600 sales. Now, if we go over to that previous video, we can see again course sales. So back in 2019, I had earned around $16,000. Now fast forward to 2022, and that now is again $127,000. Now, I'm not trying to show you this to brag, I'm trying to show you this to show you what is possible. Now again, what did I speak about near the end of the video? Can you remember? Well, that's consistency. I've been very consistent for the last 3-4 years at running the exact same businesses. So that's why I get fairly good results. Consistency. Now, like I said, this is the third income stream, which is course sales, but now this goes on to my fourth and final income stream, which is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is an awesome business model because you sell other people's products for a commission. Now, when it comes to affiliate marketing, there's only a handful of products that I actually promote. Why is that? Well, I only promote products that I use in my own business because that just makes more sense to me. Because I'd rather promote something that I actually genuinely like and use myself. Now, the main one being Creative Fabrica. Now with Creative Fabrica, this is where I get all of my graphics, I get my fonts, I get everything that I need for my low content book publishing business. So this is the main product that I actually promote. Now if we take a look here, we can see that with referrals, I've now sent over 10,000 people, which is absolutely insane. Sorry, that's wrong. I've actually referred 10,000 people. I've sent around 15,000 people, and I've had a conversion rate of almost 70%, which again is pretty crazy, but that has resulted in earning around $24,000, almost 25. Now these earnings just here is spaced out over around 2 years, I believe. So if we come over to here, let's scroll down to around about here, 2019, 2020, so probably round the end of 2020, we can see that just here, and then it's been very consistently growing. Now if we go up to the top, which is round about here, my last payment $1,500, before that $1,900, $1,500, but I've been consistently earning over around $1,000 per month from Creative Fabrica. But again, we can see it's taken quite some time to build up. Again, consistency. Now, like I said, this is just one thing I do promote as an affiliate, and that is Creative Fabrica. But I do also promote other things as well. Second one being Helium 10. Now with Helium 10 we can see how much I've earned just here over the last 12 months, year to date, month to date, not that much, but again it does all help. Now one thing I do want to say is that if you have purchased anything through my affiliate links, I can't thank you enough. It does actually mean a lot, because without any of you, none of this would actually be possible. So I do really appreciate it when you do purchase anything through my links. So that's the second thing I promote as an affiliate. And then the third thing is Canva. because I use Canva a lot in my own business. I use it for creating my books, so that's the covers, the interiors. I also use it for YouTube and lots of different things. Now this isn't a really big earner for me. We can see I have a balance of around £64. The sale amount over this year is around £1,000 with payouts of around £300. But again, even though this isn't a huge income stream for me, these little payments along with other little payments soon add up. Now they're the three things that I do mainly promote as an affiliate. There is a few other little things here and there, but these are my three core main products that I do promote as an affiliate. But there we go. That's all the ways that I make passive income online and have been doing for the past 3-4 years. So the first one being low content book publishing, the second one being YouTube, the third one being course sales, and the fourth one being affiliate marketing. Now, there's one more thing that I want to talk about really quick, and that is consistency. This is something that a lot of people tend to leave out when running a business. See, I've only got the results that you've seen in this video because I've stayed consistent. I've stayed consistent with publishing low content books. I've stayed consistent with YouTube. I've stayed consistent with my courses, and I've stayed consistent with affiliate marketing. And this is what has allowed me to earn a full-time income here online, and pretty passively at that. See, too many people give up way too soon. They try a business for a month, don't get no results, and then just give up. Most people do not give it long enough to actually get results. So, if you want to get results in anything that you're trying to achieve, then just remember to stay consistent and for long periods of time. Again, I've been doing all of these now for 3-4 years, which has actually completely flown by. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.